Alright, forget the ramps, this trailer does it better. I'm Peter with Horizon Trailers, and let me show you how. If you're in the business of hauling serious weight, your weekend utility trailer is not gonna cut it. Meet the beast, built to carry it all. This is the HYZ hydraulic dovetail flat deck trailer with a GVWR of 40,000 pounds. Built for maximum performance, minimal downtime, and zero compromises. Let's take a closer look at what makes it a hauler's dream. Length options from 30 up to 44 feet, a 102-inch deck width, and a 36-inch deck height with 16K dual axles. Up front, we have a 3-inch adjustable gooseneck coupler rated at 40,000 pounds, half-inch safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. This unit includes the 20K hydraulic jacks, and the winch is optional behind the neck. Up front, a mega lockable toolbox, clean, secure, and built to hold everything you need. Right on top, a standard spare tire and side steps on both sides for easy access to your deck. Beefed out where it matters, the tongue features a 14-inch I-beam with our Neckboss design, and the main frame features a 14-inch bridged I-beam, reinforced with a 4.5-inch torque tube to keep everything square and steady when loading heavy or uneven. The deck frame is made of a 2x6-inch 7-gauge tubing with 3-inch I-beam cross members spaced at 16 inches apart. Pine lumber flooring for the deck. Stake ID pockets all around with additional D-rings for your tie downs. Lockable toolbox which houses the batteries and pump. For the running gear, it's got two 16K electric brake axles with dual oil bath hubs on a slipper mechanical suspension. 18-ply tires on 17.5 black steel rims. Now let's break down its key feature. It's 12 feet long, fully hydraulic dovetail rated at 10,000 pounds. Built with the same heavy-duty frame as the deck, but this one has the rubber-infused lumber for better traction. When fully dropped, the dovetail sits at a 13-degree angle. With a push of a button on the wireless remote, the dovetail goes up and down smoothly, powered by 4x16-inch single-push cylinders. It's quick, stable, and built to handle heavy loads. When rolling heavy, visibility matters. Marker lights all around mean you're seen from every side, even in rough conditions. Finish with a high-quality powder coat over steel grip blasted surface, locking out rust and locking in durability. Built tough and built to stay that way. We stand behind every trailer we build with a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty. Reliable coverage you can count on. There's a lot more where that came from. For full specs, custom builds, visit our website at horizontrailers.com. Work harder, work smarter with Horizon Trailers.